helmets, seatbelts, and other safety aspects, how serious are you about them whilst on the move on the roads? Do you feel the authorities are concerned for your safety? Or should I say that for them, you are just a number? What happened 2 months back in a high profile accident in Pune was where the victims lost their lives because of not wearing protective gears. And you need to bring into account that your physical as well as your emotional presence to your near and dear ones is critical. Add to that, your financial presence is also very critical. You consider if you start earning with a 3 lakh salary package and you go on to work for 35 years, you start at 2 lakh and you go on to work for 35 years, what is it that you can bring to the table? This will get missed out if, in case something happens to you. What are your thoughts about this? You can let me know in the comment section. Thank you.